Greetings, friends and new subscribers. Welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cyber's channel. Today, what I have here is the Dino Tracker INDORAPTOR. I don't know where I'll place the tracking gear of this thing, but here's the DNA scan. So this INDORAPTOR has that feature. It opens up the mouth, has different sounds. If you move the hands, the arms, it opens up. There you go. If you do this in this right arm, it goes to its left, and this one goes to its right. And the eyes it lights up. See? All right, guys. So why I brought this out is because we finally have the ultimate damage INDORAPTOR from Walmart. It is an exclusive Walmart. Okay, guys, I told to you guys before that I wasn't gonna get this, but the reason why I bought it, it's because it went to a huge sale. It had a good deal. The original price was $35 and I got it for $18. So it's pretty sweet, so why not, grab it. It's one of a kind. But I'm glad that I grabbed it because the next day it went back to its original price again. It went back to $35. So yeah, it's super sweet. Let's check the back. Okay, we already have both of these things. So I'm assuming that they're only gonna make two ultimate damage, the Scorpius Rex and the INDORAPTOR. Hopefully there'll be more one day. But yeah, let's unbox it. Okay, guys, let's check it out. Let's see the difference of the Dino Tracker and this ultimate damage. All right, so this INDORAPTOR looks a little blacker than its counterpart, Dino Tracker counterpart. But if you see the tail, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's the same, exactly the same. But there's new features in it. Here's the DNA scan. It's a totally different color, but they added this one. This, if you push this button, there you go. It lights up. I don't think the eyes lights up because it's already been painted, so I doubt it. Right there. So yeah, I don't think so. So if you move the arm, nothing much here as well. So there's no feature on the arms. But if you push the button here, there you go, it moves. It goes to its right. It bites. Only to the right though. It doesn't go to the left. So that's kind of odd. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no buttons on the neck. Here. 2 buttons. And let's see, they added scars on this INDORAPTOR. Like there, on the neck part, there's a scar now. 3 scratches. Meanwhile, the Dino Tracker doesn't have it. See that? Compare that. No scars whatsoever. We go to the other side. Nothing much going on here. No scars. Just on the neck area right there. That's what Mattel did there. So yeah, it's just an updated INDORAPTOR, pretty much the same except for the color and the features. No tracking gear for this guy, but has this button over here. See, it sounds different. There we go. This one, if you move the arm, it moves. There we go. So I don't know if it's a downgrade or an upgrade. It feels like a downgrade though, because there's no tracking gear and the arms doesn't have any feature. No. So it feels like a downgrade for me. So I don't know if we're gonna make this a unique or an epic INDORAPTOR. So we'll see. I didn't grab the rest of the INDORAPTORs because that's already on this review, the Dino Tracker INDORAPTOR review. It's all the INDORAPTORs are in it. Classic INDORAPTORs are there. So yeah, I'll just put a link in the description so you guys can click it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for ultimate damage for today. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you. You guys have a good weekend. It's still a weekend tomorrow. Yep. Oh, wait a second. Look at the teeth. It's also different. It's a totally different sculpt. This one looks a little sharper. The ultimate damage looks sharper than the Dino Tracker. Yeah, totally different. So this one has the eyes glows, but this one doesn't. The new one doesn't. It doesn't do it. So yeah, the quills looks different as well. This is the Dino Tracker. This is the ultimate damage. The ultimate damage looks pointier, sharper. See? Same as the head quills. Totally different. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you again. We'll see you in the next video. Au revoir. Okay.